Isn't it great when somebody does most of the work for you? Well, that's what I want to show you today because AWeber offers pre-built email campaigns that do most of the work setting up your automated email series. I'm Jay Moore, and like I just said, I want to show you how you can add a pre-built email campaign to your AWeber account and then do a little bit of minimal work to get set up with your automated email series. Well, first, I want to share with you the URL. It's www.aweber.com/campaign-marketplace.htm. In fact, let's go there right now. So on this page, you'll see we got a bunch of cards here. And they're broken down into categories. Like if you're doing lead generation, we actually have a lead magnet inspired by Just Uno. We have a cart abandonment inspired by Shopify. So we have a bunch of different email campaigns tailored to all kinds of scenarios, even a basic welcome series, or maybe you're doing something with fitness. We offer that as well. Or even if you're running a podcast. Let's actually take a look at a few of these. In order to use these, we just have to copy this campaign sharing code that you see right here. So we're going to click copy. Head over to our AWeber account. And under messages, we'll choose campaigns. Now we'll go to create a campaign like we usually would, but instead of creating one from scratch or choosing one of these pre-built ones that's already in AWeber, we can click on import a campaign. Add that sharing code. We'll just paste it in right here. Click import, and then we'll give it a name. I'm going to be super creative this morning and just say podcast series. And in a few moments, you'll see your series of emails along with intervals set up in AWeber. So now you still have to go in and tailor these emails to be a little specific to your business. So if we click on one of these and click over to here, you'll see that there's a template already set up, but there is some things we have to fill out. For example, we'd have to replace our logo. Let's replace that with our Tara's Healthy Eats logo that we've used in other examples. And then we'd also have to do things like replace with your own salutation. If we want to say hello, hi, or even just get rid of that completely, we could. And we could just start with thanks for subscribing to. And you'll see it's kind of like a fill in the blank thing that we've set up with these email templates. So you can read through the text and then just insert your own business name or any specifics that it asks you to insert. Or you can just delete all this out and add your own content as well. In fact, let's save and exit real quick. Show you another one. Let's go back over to the marketplace. Let's say you're doing a cart abandonment. Let's say you're an AWeber Pro user and you're using the cart abandonment feature. So if somebody leaves your shopping cart in the middle of purchasing, you can automate a series out to them saying, hey, you left something in your shopping cart. Again, we just copy, create a campaign, click that import button, paste our code in there, import it. Again, give it that really creative name of cart abandonment. Create. And there we go. Now in this case, the cart abandonment series is just one single email. Some of these series are. But again, if you click into here, we've done 90% of the work for you. Because now you can edit your own text in here, add your own images, again, add your own logo. So we're really here to do that work for you. And again, there are a dozen there in that shopping cart, in that marketplace, along with the ones that come included when you go to create a campaign within AWeber. So again, this is a really cool way to have us do most of the work for you when setting up your automated email campaign. Really helpful too if you're really not sure what to write in your emails, because it has that awesome fill in the blank component. Now again, if you need any help, we're available at help.aweber.com. So if you're not sure what to write in your emails, or even not sure how to use that marketplace that I just showed you, feel free to contact us. We've got an awesome customer solutions team that's available 24/7. And again, that marketplace was www.aweber.com/campaign-marketplace.htm. So what are you waiting for? Hop into your AWeber account, try out one of those campaigns today. And if you don't have an AWeber account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.